Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a Mesosaurus. Let's start off by drawing a line for the top of the head that swoops down and across like so for the back and turns down with a wavy line for the long tail. Then, a wavy line swooping back up to here and flaring out like so to finish off the tail shape. Next, draw the hind leg with a slightly wavy line going down to the right, some small arches along the bottom for the webbed feet that help it swim, and a slightly wavy line back up to here. Continue the line from the tail across for the belly. Then, draw another leg here for the front leg. I'm going to make this one bent a bit. Continue the line from the belly up with another slightly wavy line across here for the neck. Next, draw the lower jaw with a line down from here that turns to the left and flicks up at the end. Align up the jaw like so, and one coming down from the top jaw also. At the corner for now, add a curved line like this. Then, draw some really sharp teeth all along the jaw. Next, draw a big dot for its eye, with two curved lines on either side of it for some wrinkles. And finish off the head with a small comma shape here for the nostril. Next, draw the legs on the other side. For the front leg, a wavy line coming down like so, with two arches for the webbed feet, and a wavy line going back up to the body. For the hind leg, just copy the other back leg here. Finally, we can draw the patterns. We don't actually know what dinosaur skin looked like, since none of the fossils we found today have skin intact. For our Mesosaurus, I'm going to draw a really spiky line starting from the snout, along the back, and down the tail. Then, I'm going to add some tiger stripes across the arms. Some of these legs, and just the tips of the stripes for these. Lastly, add some really thin lines coming up from between the toes like this. And now you've got a Mesosaurus. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.